Hi there and welcome. This is Nellie Deutsch, and today I'm really excited to show you the newest updates on SciSpace. If you've ever been using AI research tools and felt something was missing, clarity, speed, or a real understanding of why certain papers or outputs appear, this update changes everything. SciSpace has just released some major improvements that make researching faster, deeper, and far more intuitive. I've been testing all the new features, and let me tell you, they are absolutely amazing. So let's dive in. One of the biggest frustrations researchers face is switching between databases. Google Scholar, PubMed, SciSpace's own database, institutional repositories, and the list goes on. Now SciSpace merges everything into one unified paper table. You'll be able to see the top most relevant papers from every connected source. One combined, re-ranked list, a relevance score, a relevance tag, and even, get this, the reasoning behind why each paper was selected. This means no more juggling tabs or manually filtering hundreds of results. You get one clean, intelligent view of the best papers for your topic. It saves hours, literally hours of manual work. If you work in academia, you know the pain of hitting paywalls. SciSpace now integrates with Lib, which lets you see full text articles through your institution's library access right inside SciSpace. No hopping between sites, no searching for PDFs elsewhere, just seamless reading and analysis directly from your workspace. And the third new feature, faster paper table columns. This update is incredibly helpful. While a SciSpace agent is running a task, maybe you're generating a literature review or analyzing a set of papers, you don't have to wait for it to finish. You can add or remove columns, filter and explore papers, analyze results, pause or resume the task at any time. The agent keeps working in the background while you continue organizing your research. This makes the process feel fluid and interactive rather than passive and slow. The fourth new feature is a third-party tool integrations, starting with Google Drive. This feature is huge if you already have PDFs and documents saved in your workspace. You can now connect Google Drive directly to SciSpace. The agent can pull PDFs, docs, files from Drive, attachments from Gmail, even folder content. No more uploading files one by one. And coming soon, Zotero, Mendeley, and more. This makes SciSpace a true research hub, everything in one place. And the final fifth new feature that I'm going to share with you is the new citation features, which is faster, clearer, and more accurate. If you cite a lot, which I do, you're going to love this. Now you can cite directly from the unified paper table. Cite from the citation pop-up. For uploaded PDFs, see the exact snippet the model used. Jump directly to the location inside your PDF. This transparency is incredible. You always know where the information came from and can verify it instantly. This alone will save researchers hours during report writing and journal preparation. Let me take you through a live example. Let me show you how all of these new features work together. I'm going to run a literature review on AI and TESOL using the SciSpace agent. So let me paste that. Give me a task and notice what comes up. AI for TESOL, integrating chatbots in the classroom, or evaluating learner pronunciation accuracy, or designing adaptive vocabulary drills. So right away, I'm not alone. I get ideas and I love this. All right, so let's hit the arrow pointing up and here we come. So notice it's executing a plan and it's also explaining things to me. I love this communication because, as I said, you're definitely not alone. And there's the prompt to share any additional details. Now, notice these questions. These are very, very relevant questions. Notice again, it's searching. How are TESOL teachers implementing AI tools in the classroom? Now, notice what's going on here. Okay, as it works, you're seeing everything as it happens. And this is important for clarity. I want to know what's going on. And it's very, very clearly described. Notice here they go by relevance. Notice 100 by 100. And the reasoning. The reasoning is super important. It uses AI platforms. Let's open it up. There we are. And now we can see with the reasoning here, and then there's the abstract on the right. What more can you ask for? Now, this feature is absolutely amazing. If a file, a PDF file, is not open access, but you need this like AI mediated language education in the metaverse area. Notice if I hit get PDF, it says download from a library, and you can set up right within SciSpace. You can set up a lib key. So let's, for example, see which one we can use here. Notice you can search or add your institution. So we're going to set up Harvard and then hit continue. This is a very powerful tool. Notice what it's doing. This is absolute magic. PDF has been successfully downloaded. Doing all the work that would take me hours. And here it is. I am so excited. This is absolutely amazing. It's amazing. There it is. AI and VR converge, the future of language learning in an emerging metaverse. Amazing, right? Absolutely amazing. Thank you so much to SciSpace for this lib key. The next feature that I'm really excited about is that you don't have to wait around. So there it is, Metaverse and TESOL. Now, while you're waiting for this to happen, I mean, you can follow it. It's really, really fast. But while you're waiting, you can add or remove columns while the task is running. So let's do that. Okay, so the tasks are running and I want to add columns. Notice this is the information, so much information and so quickly. Now the relevance, I always wanted to be the newest first. So that's my priority. So notice 2025 because those are the ones that I'm truly interested in. And then add columns. So notice what you can do here. As it's going, you can be active. You don't have to be passive to sit around and watch it happening or go have a cup of coffee. You can actually get busy by asking for, notice, insights, conclusions, summarized abstract. Well, the abstracts are here, but the summations, we can go into limitations. I always like the limitations. Notice a limitation. You get all the limitations here. Let's add some more columns as it works. Conclusions, so we can add that as well. So notice you can add as many columns as you wish while it's working so that you could be reading that in the meantime. So these are the conclusions and more. And notice all the possibilities here. You can insert columns. The results are also objectives, findings, and 9 more. Can you believe this? Look at that problem. I love. Let's go into the problem statements because that's one of the things that I look for in my students' work in their PhD dissertation. So here's the problem. I love these. I just love this. I just can't get enough of SciSpace, getting more and more information, and you're learning, of course, as you do, which I love. So you're going to love these new features. Let's go on with the next one. The next feature that's absolutely amazing because I love Google Drive. Google Drive are the connectors. Let's go into this plus. And notice besides uploading your files, you can also add from Google Drive. And I think that's absolutely amazing. And I'm sure they'll add others in the very near future. But this is a great start and perfect for my needs. The final new update for now, because I know there'll be more, are the improved citations. Let's go into, this is the search that we did before, and these are the articles. So we could either go from here, from the list of papers, and hit cite, and then I use APA. And you also get the inline citation. I love this. You simply copy it and you add it. You can also use others, so you're not limited. Isn't that absolutely amazing? Everything feels smoother, faster, and much more intelligent. Now, why do these updates matter? These changes are designed to help researchers, educators, and students, of course. They save time, reduce manual filtering, stay organized, work with more accuracy, connect their workspace tools, and streamline every part of the research workflow. It really feels like having a smart, integrated research assistant by your side. If you want to try all of these new features and see how they fit into your own workflow, head over to SciSpace using the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to use my coupon code to get your discount. So do it today and have fun.